Munini wa Ngavana Kaundini Masaku Mwangangi Niwenda Ikundi Kuikiithya Vena Nzia Mbailu cia Kutumia Vaita Ingi Kiko Kite Muisyo ya Kenya Kieleeloni cha Kuendeeya Kusuvia Mawithiululuko Kepro Kwamaangya Uthukumi Wayo kula kwi serikali cia Kaunti kilitoni cha Kuikiithya Uthukumi wa mituki na usuviku wa Mawithiululuko. Aine nambano wa karatu wa kila mwaka wa Ikundi mukawani umwe kuyilevi onoyo voni wa kathi ya kwa kukilia mekalile ya Kenya Ingi kwisela wala nyowo Mwangangi ni watete itambia yo ya Kwailya na Kuikiithya ya Vaita iweta kana Ikundi ni nengete Ingi mawuya vamwe na Kusuvia Mawithiululuko. Mulinge ni mwandiki witwa mauvo
Ikathi Ikundi ya Kepro kwa Wayo Muisyo cia Kuikiithya ukwati na wingi Kusuvia Mawithiululuko na Kuikiithya ni mathumo ni wa Ngavana Kaundini ya Masaku Mwangangi no akosokola wethu isambazo wakana ingwa mundu wika mali na kwekonya uyani uwa Kuthesya Kiko na kukiithya sindu cie maana kana refining waste weta na Kusuvia Mawithiululuko na wengine kitina kinene cha Kuikiithya ukwati
utheu ni kindu ke maana na takataka no tuma cia nyumbani kwitu tuma cia makambanine tuma cia kila bandu bonde na maofisini maitu ni opportunity ndio ndu ito no bindwa ikaete kaunti ya Masaku uthui ikatuma andu ingi makwata mawea no kethia at least ta count nitwaende mbe na ite mbwa na count ndeu nite mbwa na count itena mawo maingi no ndo wakwe mbwa Mawithiululuko maitu meneko no yithia ni opportunity neno nundu Masaku no yo thina ithekanene andu matona kuka kwambizia makambani mo.
Mwangangi ule munene wanda yomba nono wakati wa kila mwaka wa Ikundi mukawani umwe musini wa Nairobi no weta we wa Kuthesya na Kusuvia Mawithiululuko ndo ile kutua moko ne mamo vya wanema wiwo ka weta kila mundu anakianda kititone kiki la weta ni umwe munene wa ukwati otaundu Ikundi yithitwe yikithailovia
nitawathi munene kwa county situ sio kamba not only Machakos County na yu idho ni pethiwe na serikali ni tangazie ni ende Kuthesya mbuzi anu wiyo musumbi wa Kenya yasia na pena muika mbe wangili miongwena alama ende yotho magugu kwesela program ile ni ku extend Masaku maybe ibato na imbwa na muika karibu mbe wangili anaimwa alama imbwa mekwati yewe nikana maende na uteka na imbwa ne ndo munene muno kwa kamba na kaunti ya Masaku.
Vala Mwangangi kulia Kenya kwekonya na kosa muvango na moko ile mwana kivelo wa Ikundi ya Kepro Niwenda Kenya kwekonya na viasala ila utena Kwailya unewo si Kwailya unewa Mawithiululuko na Nzia Kenya kwa jumla.
Waste disposal, solid waste is a huge challenge. How can we change this narrative and bring in and show that actually we can actually have value out of this, what you're calling or what you're referring to as waste? And that is where Kepro is positioned. We are positioning ourselves whereby we can bring in collaborators and partners. Key collaborators as you and me, as the first key persons, as the waste generators. Secondly, do we have the collectors of the waste? Thirdly, who are the recyclers? The other bit is how can we reuse that waste in terms of making another economical product? We've seen people collecting PET bottles, able to convert them into cushions and such type of material. Thereby again, we are reducing the need or the pressure to bring in virgin material. Because basically what you're saying, circularity is to ensure a material can be used 10 times, 20 times, not a linear usage where you use and throw. It's use and bring it back to the chain. So again, for us, it's a call for everyone. What is your role? And what you're saying is, what is our action after today? What are you going to do differently? And that's the main theme of our conference today. So really looking forward to bringing more partners and more influencers to make this a reality in Kenya in the shortest period of time.
Delivoti ya Motongo TV, nyenye tawa mulei, mulingem.